Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the Rhino-Pkg desktop. So this is the login screen of the Rhino-Pkg and you have got the Unicorn session. So Unicorn session is nothing but a modified XFC session. So they have modified the XFC session to create a very different look and a different workflow. So here on the session manager, you can see the Unicorn session is the default session. You got XFC session, then you got XFC with Wayland session and the Ubuntu session. So basically, Rhino-Pkg Unicorn session or the Unicorn desktop is based on Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is nothing but a flavor of Ubuntu with the XFC desktop, and then they have modded it and created the Rhino-Pkg, and of course they have done many high level things like default support for the flat packs. Then you have got app image support, command line git command line support, and many other things are there. So that is extra above the standard Unicorn session, which is itself based on the Ubuntu session or the Ubuntu desktop of Ubuntu. So now let us log in into the Unicorn session. I had thoroughly tested this desktop. There are many problems in the updates and in this welcome app also. Now I will show you what the problem is. Whenever you do the first boot, the welcome app will come up. So you have to first configure your desktop. You have to choose between dark and white, this light theme. Now when you go and choose the support for Flatpak, for example, I will select this yes. I will not select the beta channel. I will go with the snap support. I will go with the app image support. Next I will go with Nala. Nala is nothing but a wrapper on APT. It gives some visual changes to the APT. So whenever you use APT in the terminal, you get a more visually appealing information on your terminal, and some more we can say features are added to the APT on the terminal. Then you have got the GitHub command line interface. Apport is a crash reporting system, so that also I will click. Now when you click here, it will ask you for the password to configure all the changes, and now you see what happens. It will crash. The changes won't be applied. So every time you boot, again this welcome app comes, again you have to reconfigure it, and again it will crash. So I have done at least 7 to 8 installations, but it is not working. So after the installation I tried this, so it was not working. Then I upgraded the system also. Then again I tried it, but still it is not working. Then during the upgrade, you will see the Linux kernel images are getting downloaded, but there is an issue with the installation also. So it is quite buggy. You can see here something went wrong. So always this thing happens. So this support for Flatpak, app image, GitHub command line and other things, they don't get configured correctly, and it fails. Now I will show you the system upgrade issue also. So this is the icon for system upgrade. You can see it here. So it is, you can see here, this Rhino-Pkg is based on the development branch of Ubuntu. In the development branch, there are always newer and newer packages, and then it causes issue. Like I have shown you what happens when you try to add the Flatpak support and the app image support and other things in the welcome app. So it is, you can say it is granted that there will be always some issue because it is a development branch. So I think they should have based the Rhino-Pkg on the LTS branch instead of the development branch of Ubuntu. Now I will show the issue. You have to input your password. It will try to upgrade the system, and you will see during the Linux image installation it will fail. You can see here You can see here the Linux image unsigned. So there is an issue installing the Linux images. So you can see here, I tried earlier also, it is failing. All these packages are failing. You can see it in red. Everything is failing. So I don't think this Rhino Linux is ready for stable use by users. I think it requires some more time from the devs to make it stable, and I think they should shift from the development branch to the LTS branch of Ubuntu. So if they do it, then I think this Rhino Linux desktop concept, the Linux distribution concept for Rhino Linux will be more appealing to the users, because there are many good things they are trying to do, but since it is based on the development release of Ubuntu, there are some issues during the upgradation, installation of packages, installation of the different support, like the Flatpak support, app image support, command line interface for the GitHub and other things. So I think you can see here it is showing the processing was halted because there were too many errors. So every time this happens, so it fails. So this is the sad story of Rhino Linux. I think maybe in next few months they will improve the system, and then I can show you again how the system has improved and it is now usable for the users. But at this stage, I will not recommend Rhino Linux to users who want to use it for the daily tasks. Though it is not for you. You can use it in VM. You can experiment. That will be okay, but don't use it for your daily desktop. Otherwise, you will have problems and you might lose some data. Now, let us check out the different applications that are available. As you can see here, all these applications, it's very standard XFCE applications are there. The Bluetooth manager, Bluetooth adapter, bulk rename. Then the clipboard manager is there, default application, color profiles, network manager is there, power manager. This is all standard XFCE. What is Celeste? I think it is some, yes. So it is a GUI file synchronization client that can connect to any virtual cloud provider. So any cloud provider you have, you can use this to sync your files with the cloud, your cloud account. Then the setup wizard is there. Let us check out the task manager. So what is the memory usage? Let us check out. So you can see here memory usage is around 900 MB. So this is okay for XFCE desktop. So latest XFCE desktops consume around 750 to 1 GB of RAM. So gone are those days when XFCE desktops used to consume just 300 MB of memory. So it is in distance past now. Further, let us check out if any special applications are there. Okay, so U launcher is there. Let us check out the U launcher. So, sorry. Let us check out the U launcher. So U launcher is nothing. I will just show you where it was. U launcher, yes. U launcher is there. So using U launcher, you can do system-wide searches. For example, let me search for, say, let us search for MP. I think the player is there. Yes, MPV player. Yes, so it is there. So you can see it is doing system-wide search. You can search for terminal. So it will show you all the terminal related applications that are available. And of course, other applications starting with the first alphabet T also it is showing us. So this is the U launcher. Anything else is there? Let us see. Okay, so this MPV player is only there. Workspaces is there. Sensor view is there. Text editor. I think nothing else is there. Let us check out the settings manager. So this is nothing but standard XFCE settings manager. So we all know, we have checked this out many times, so I'm not going in much detail. So let us check out check. Let us check this. So this is all XFC only. I will cancel this. Again, we have to open settings manager. We check the sessions. Okay. Those. Let me open which version is this XFC. It is latest or what? So these are all the wallpapers that are available. Let's check out some wallpapers. Okay. These are all designed by the Rhino team. This is how everything looks. Nice wallpapers, nothing bad about them. I'm okay with this wallpapers. I don't like this color. It is irritating for my eyes, but this is the XFC wallpaper I like the most. Very beautiful looking wallpaper. This is again from the Rhino team. This looks very nice, but this is from the XFC, not from Rhino Linux. Okay, so let us check out something else. Task manager. Let us check out the task manager. Okay. 5.7 version is there. Let me check once again, if possible, to check the version. Terminal eliminator, file manager. Check. So the version of XFC is 4.90. So it is the latest XFC version available. They are using this since it is based on the Ubuntu development branch. It has got the latest XFC desktop available. So now I will stop my video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.